What if the United States suddenly produced 5,000 Patriot missiles per year? Sounds insane, right? Right now, the MIM-104 Patriot is one of America's most advanced air defense systems. It's designed to intercept aircraft, cruise missiles, and even ballistic missiles using hit-to-kill precision. These missiles are produced by Lockheed Martin, one of the biggest defense contractors in the world. In 2025, Lockheed delivered roughly 620 PAC-3 interceptors, the most the program has ever produced in a single year. Under a new Pentagon contract, Lockheed is expanding production capacity to about 2,000 interceptors per year over the next several years. But even at that rate, production is still limited. Patriot interceptors are complex, expensive, and take time to build. Now imagine this. Instead of producing hundreds or even a couple thousand annually, the US ramps up to 5,000 missiles every year. First, global military impact. This would dramatically increase US and allied air defense stockpiles. Countries like Poland, Japan, and Ukraine rely heavily on Patriot systems. A surge in production would mean faster resupply, stronger deterrence, and less concern about running out during prolonged conflicts. Second, strategic deterrence. If adversaries know the US can replace thousands of interceptors annually, it changes the equation. Missile saturation attacks become less effective if America and its allies can rapidly replenish defenses. It strengthens long-term resilience. Third, industrial and economic effects. To reach 5,000 per year, the US defense industry would need massive expansion. More factories, more skilled labor, expanded supply chains, and billions in investment. That means more jobs in states where defense manufacturing is strong. But here's the catch. Patriot missiles aren't cheap. Each interceptor can cost several $million. Producing 5,000 annually could mean tens of billions in yearly spending, and Congress would need to approve that scale of funding. There's also the geopolitical angle. A production surge that large could signal preparation for high-intensity conflict. That could increase deterrence or escalate tensions. So the real question isn't just, can the US produce 5,000 Patriots per year? It's, should it? Would that level of production make America and its allies safer? Or would it trigger a new missile arms race? Let me know what you think. If the US produced 5,000 Patriot missiles every year, would it strengthen global stability or increase global tension?